Hi, Samantha. She slept in here last night. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's freezing out here. Good morning, girls. How'd y'all make it? Oh, look. Yeah, there's ice here. Oh. It's a cold one. Let me tell you that right now. All right, boys, let's go get some bacon. They love their bacon. Mm-hmm.
Let me see. There's 1, 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom.
I just went out to take care of some farm chores. Oh, it is bitterly cold, down to my fingertips. All right, everybody up. Oh my gosh, look. Oh. Oh. Oh man, it's bitter cold out here. Bitter cold. Look how beautiful, folks. Now, mind you, this is Texas. Y'all made it okay, girls? Yeah, it's darn cold out here, that's for sure. Bitter cold. Okay, girls. Give y'all a little more. The sun is shining. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, boys. All right, come on. All of the girls went into this coop yesterday evening, which I was glad for. So I sealed them up as well as I could. Let's see how they made it. Oh, hello. Y'all made it okay? Oh, y'all did good, huh? All right. They weren't coming out, so I made a little sidewalk for them. And here they come. The sun is shining, but it is freezing out here. This part of Texas is pretty much shut down. No school. Very quiet. I can't hear one vehicle moving around out there. All right, we have some dryer lint and some fat wood. So let's see if we can get this fire going. It is very cold. Some dryer lint. And some fat wood. So now you know what to do with dryer lint. Save it for a campfire. This is the perfect solution for not being cooped up anymore. It's awesome.
Right now, it's 18 degrees Fahrenheit.